Hey ladies and gentlemen, Jonni here, your premier real estate agent in the heart of La Mesa. I have another amazing new construction happening. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath, over 3,600 square feet. It is a beautiful home and happening now. You can get more information at 619-383-2959. Talk to you soon.
We go in, this is the multi-gen suite, the entrance from the inside. The multi-gen on the plan 3 will feature a kitchenette. It will come with a microwave, a 39-inch refrigerator, it's sink, a very generous full bathroom. It's private. Living, air, dining, and the kitchen. This is one of our standard stains. It's called setup, which is a combination, it's a mushroomy color, a combination of gray and beige, maple wood. It will come with a 36-inch cooktop, LG brand, a hood, dishwasher over here. This bedroom right here, it's a nice size, and it has its own private bathroom. Deck with a little bit of a north view. Very generous walk-in closet.